Hey, Mr. Anthony ONeal. My name is Dana. Our question that I have is, what should a woman that is 54 years old, never lived on her own, been married for all of her life, just about 34 years, never lived on her own, newly divorced, do as far as investment, new career, living on her own for the first time, need to learn how to do her finances, what should she invest in, how to make more money so she can survive on her own, all by herself. This is for me. So yeah, I need your help. I need your input. I need your education. I need all of that. That's my question. Thank you.
Dana, I want to start off being a little sensitive. And I want to start off by simply saying, I'm sorry that this new season of your life is happening. Because, I mean, I've never been married, and I don't want to, I hate acting like I know what it takes to be in a relationship, to be in a marriage. Because clearly at 40, going on 41, about to be 41, clearly I got some evolving to do in the relationship space. But I definitely want to start off by saying I'm proud of you. You're stepping into a brand new chapter at 54 years old. And while that might feel scary, it's also a powerful thing. You know, let's be real. I think I want to estimate maybe 34 years. 34 years, you were giving, you were serving, you were in a marriage, you was in a partnership. But now it's time for you to claim the seat of your life and to build a life that is free, focused, full of peace. And I don't know if you desire marriage again, but hey, heck, now you can position yourself to where when God blesses you with another partner, that you're an even better individual. Here's what I've learned by talking to married people, talking to individuals that going through a divorce, especially after decades, can leave people feeling like they're starting from scratch. But let me tell you all something. For those of you who are watching, not just for Dana, you're not starting over. You're just starting wiser, all right? And wisdom is the most powerful wealth tool there is. I always tell everyone, your number one business in the world is what? Your business. So mind your business. Grow this thing. There's a study that came out from the National Institute on Retirement, and they said that, man, women over 50, here's a fact, are 80% more likely to face poverty in retirement after divorce, mainly due to the years of shared finances, limited income, and lack of, watch this, knowing what was going on with the finances. But that's the average. Dana, that's not you. We don't do average over here. We do intentional.
What's going on, fam? Hey, listen, if you're serious about getting out of debt, building real wealth, and creating a life of freedom, this is your home. I want to personally invite you to subscribe to the channel right now, because every single week, we're dropping videos that will help you take control of your money. It will help you shift your money mindset and break money generational cycles. You see, this channel isn't just content. It's honestly a movement. Over 1 million people have joined this community over the last 4 years. I'm still blown away by that, to be honest. And our mission is bold. It is to eliminate $1 billion in debt and build $500 million in assets by the year of 2050. We talk real money, real freedom, and real legacy here at the table. No fluff, no credit card hacks, just the truth that will set you and your family up for a better financial future. Do yourself a favor and join this family, join this movement by hitting that subscribe button. Turn on your notifications and join this journey, because this is where financial freedom begins. Let's get back to the show. Hit that subscribe button.
So here's the very first thing I want you to do. Number one, because it sounds like, you never really had to do this stuff. I need you to write down your why. At 54 years old, why do you want the financial freedom that you desire right now? Why do you want to invest? Why do you want the thousands to 100,000s to the millions? You see, this isn't just about money. It's about your freedom. It is about your peace of mind. It is about your purpose. It is about your legacy. It was so funny. years ago, I had Sarah Jakes on my show, and I was just talking to her, and she really convicted me, because I always thought that, it's the man's responsibility to build legacy and to build something of substance. No, it's people's responsibility, because God gave man and woman a purpose, a calling, an anointing. And so there is legacy inside of you, Dana. So here's what I need you to do. I need you to ask yourself, why do I want to be financially independent? Why do I want financial freedom? Who am I doing this for besides me? What does freedom look like for me in this season of my life? And I need you to write those answers down and keep those answers somewhere where you can see them at least 2 or 3 times throughout the day. Because you're going to need them in this season of your life. You're going to need them during the hard times, because what's coming up next, it's not going to be super easy.
Here is the truth. I am always looking for practical ways to help you build, right, wealth, specifically generational wealth and legacy. And one of the best ways you can do that is with life insurance. That's why I partner with my friends at Ethos. They made buying life insurance simple and hassle-free. Whether you're the main provider for your family or want to make sure your loved ones aren't left with financial burdens like debt, life insurance is a powerful way to provide financial security. As a business owner and a homeowner, I took this seriously and secured a $2 million life insurance policy through Ethos. Why? Because having a peace of mind, knowing my family will be cared for when I'm no longer here, is extremely priceless. What I love about Ethos is their quick and straightforward process. You can apply entirely online in as little as 10 minutes. I'm not even exaggerating. I did it myself. Listen, no medical exams, just a few health questions that you must answer honestly. Plus, it's affordable, making it easier to protect your family without breaking the bank. Listen, I want you to lock in your rate today by visiting AnthonyONeal.com/life insurance, or click the link below to get your personalized free quote today. Listen, as we're getting back to this show, I want you to protect your loved ones. Don't play around with it. Be like me. I promise you. It's a hard conversation to have, but you will sleep peacefully knowing that you took care of your family. Go to AnthonyONeal.com/life insurance. And let's get back to the show to help you keep building this wealth.
Which is going to lead me to my step number 2. I need you reading 2 books right now. I think the very best book when it comes to starting out your money plan right now, until I come out with my book, it's called The Total Money Makeover by my friend and dear friend, Dave Ramsey. This is your playbook for getting out of debt and building savings and understanding how to win with your money. What I love about this book is he's going to give you practical 7 baby steps that is going to help you really get the basics of money down. And he teaches it at such a low level to where he's not offending nobody, but he makes it super easy for you to understand. While you're getting that book, I need you to read my book. Take your seat at the table. This book speaks to your identity, to your vision, and to help you build confidence as you step into this new season. I need you to get those 2 books. And here's the last step. Number 3, I need you to get plugged into a local church or group. You see, I know you're probably thinking, Anthony, I need a more money practical stuff. Here's the thing. When I get these kind of questions, I can tell you, hey, invest into this. Move this around in your budget, do this. But if we don't get to the heart and to the mind first, all the practical stuff is going to go in one ear and out the other ear. But what I sense from you is you need a community right now. You don't need to walk this journey alone. I need you to find a Bible teaching church where you can grow spiritually, meet new people, and get into a women's group or a financial group. A lot of churches around America are offering Financial Peace University as a Bible study or as a small group. Because right now, what I need is healing plus financial wisdom, because that's going to give you long-term success. But let me give you this practical financial moves I need you to do right now. Number 1, I need you to get on a zero-based budget. All right? Get on a zero-based budget. I need you to go to my YouTube channel, type in Anthony ONeal zero-based budget, watch that show. Number two, I need you to put at least 1 month of your net pay inside of emergency fund. If you got a job right now, I need you to get Gazelle Intense, and I need you to go ahead and put $1,000 inside of your month pay. If you do not have $1,000, if you are still struggling, still trying to figure things out, here's what I need you to do. I need you to go to anthonyoneal.com/21 days. This is going to help you walk through to find some money inside of your budget, inside of your bank account, and see where you can save at to get that $1,000, not $1,000, to get that 1 month of a net pay inside of a savings account. Here's number three up underneath the practical money step. I need you to get out of debt using the debt snowball. I don't know how much debt that you're in. I wish I could have picked up the phone when you called, because I would have loved to know how much debt you're in. As a matter of fact, go ahead and email me those numbers, and maybe I can give you a call and even walk you through some more of the stuff. But I need you to list your debt smallest to largest, make minimum payments on everything but the smallest, and attack the one with everything you got. All right? I want you to start there, because I can give you so much more, but I just feel as if we got to just start there and make sure that we help you understand, because I want you to learn how to invest. I want you to learn how to, get into a home. I want that. But those four main things, that's what I really need you to focus on right now. All right. So I appreciate you. Thank you so much for your help. Email me your numbers. And then what I want to do in the back end, Dana, I want to, once we get this stuff going, I even want to set you up with a smart, with a financial planner that can really put your numbers to play and give you a solid plan on what to do every single day, every single month, just to make sure that you can get there. All right. I appreciate you calling in.